Potentialities of the augmented reality in the school manuals of primary education. How can virtual or physical interweave add value in education? We grew up with the idea that in 2000, the world would end. In reality, normal science has been broken by the appearance of enigmas that the traditional paradigm can no longer solve, and we are living an era of transition that interconnects the physical world with the virtual world. Augmented reality is a real example. However, the school manual in physical support dominates the didactic resources now used in Portuguese schools. How can virtual or physical interweave add value in education? In an attempt to find an answer to this question, we carried out an analytical study that predicts to investigate hypotheses previously elaborated in order to find elements that allow us to verify if the augmented reality can be an added value for the school manual. Analytical study was designed to investigate hypotheses previously elaborated in order to find examples of augmented reality that could be an added value in education. The textbook of different curricular areas was taken as the focus of the exposition. We start from the following hypothesis: application of augmented reality adds value to school textbooks by allowing child participation, integration of other resources by teacher, involvement of other education actors in the real and contextual world, the development of skills other than curricular articulation, methodological change. We reinforce that the study is being prepared to be applied to primary students by trainee students in the context of initial teacher education. Thus, in this article, we suggest some augmented reality tools and possibilities of articulation with different curricular areas in the first cycle of basic education. We also present some practical examples of use of the school manual, as well as experiences already used in real context by trainee students in the context of initial teacher training, supervised pedagogical practice. First phase, we investigate applications of augmented reality and select some for reflection, understanding its potential as a regenerator of curricula and contextual integration, Pokemon Go, Dragon, Google Translator, Quiver, geocaching game, Clone and Aurisma. Second phase, we present practical examples, tried in real contexts, of how the augmented reality can integrate the school manual. In this example, we show the magic of Quiver that makes the drawing of the child alive and can be integrated in the school manual, particularly in the part that deals with the contents of the media. This practice shows the potentialities of a two-dimensional barcode when converted to text and internet address. In Figure 2 it was included by the students, and in Figure 3, by the teacher. It has the possibility of being by others, as specialists. These examples show the potential of Aurisma in access to teacher-guided information. Integrated by the student. Another example, with the Aurisma, reveals the support in the understanding of the theme and the promotion of articulation with other curricular areas. Is the potential of another interactive application that develops skills in various domains with the potential of photos, being added to the manual by other applications. This study confirms that augmented reality encourages the participation of the child, teacher and other actors in textbooks and interaction with the real and contextual world, which promotes curricular flexibility. That augmented reality changes the purposes of the school handbook by making it more open, extended, customized, connective, comprehensive, questionable, added, shared, interactive. Thus, it also changes the profile of the student, collaborator, researcher, producer and consumer of its own resources. We conclude that augmented reality transforms the process of knowledge construction and fosters the articulation of knowledge and curricular flexibility, develops current skills. It stimulates a supported constructivist methodology in the connectivity, gluing and communication. Thank you for listening to our communication.